Hello everyone. Today our topic is sources of food and our objectives are to know about the different sources of food and to know about the importance and variety of food. So now first of all we will discuss that why food is important, why we need food. So food is very important for us as it makes our body strong and healthy. So now we are going to discuss the sources of food. From where do we get food? So basically there are two main sources of food, plants and animals. So these are the basic two sources from where we get food. Now we're going to discuss each source of food individually. First of all, we will discuss food which comes from plants. So firstly, the food which comes from plant is our fruits and vegetables. So we should eat lots of fruits and vegetables. I'll give you here some examples of fruits. Example of fruit is apple. As you know, an apple a day keeps a doctor away, so we should eat an apple daily. Then we have another example, banana. Banana is also very good for health. And now here I'll give you some example of vegetable, spinach. Spinach is also very healthy. And broccoli. So these are some examples of fruits and vegetables. Now we are going to discuss about the food cereals and pulses. We are going to discuss about cereals. So which cereals usually we eat? We eat grains, we eat wheat, and we eat maize. So these are some examples of cereals, and now we will discuss some examples of pulses which we eat. So examples are beans. Beans is also very good. Then peas. It includes chickpeas also and different kinds of peas, and then gram. So these are some examples of food which we get from plants. Now we are going to discuss about the food which we get from animal. So from animal we get meat, which comes from cows. We eat meat of goat. We eat meat of sheep. And last but not the least, we eat meat of chicken. Okay. Next comes eggs and milk. So from where do we get milk? We drink milk of cows, buffalo, and goat. And now eggs. Eggs are also very important. So we usually eat eggs of hens. So this was the food which we get from animal. Now we'll discuss about honey. Honey is also very healthy. And we get honey from honey bees. Honey is also very important, so we should take honey also every day. It's also very healthy. So it comes from honeybees. Now we're going to wrap up. So what we have learned about the sources of food. So what we have learned basically is that there are two sources of food which we get from plants and food which we get from animals. So first of all, which food we get from plants? We eat lots of fruits, vegetables. This is also very healthy. Then we eat pulses, then cereals. So these are all food which we get from plants. And now the food which we get from animals are meat, then milk, then eggs, and then honey. So these are the food which we get from plants and animals. I hope you understood the lesson well. Thank you for listening. Thank you.